Okay. Had you got fun? Okay. Today I am taking the subject English, and in last session we are already discussed about the lesson King Midas. Who is King Midas? King Midas was a very rich king in the world. Once upon a time there lived a king. His name was King Midas. King Midas has a daughter. Her name was Marigold. King Midas had more and more gold in his palace, but he wanted more and more gold. Then he very greedy. What he will do? Let's see. Dear students, in yesterday class we read two paragraphs. Now I am reading. Those who are having the textbook, so please keep on your finger on the textbook. Observe carefully. Okay. Once upon a time, there lived a king called Midas. He had a little daughter whose name was Marigold. King Midas was very rich. It was said that he had more gold than any other king in the world. He sat on a golden throne and wore a golden throne on his head. He had huge rooms full of treasures, gold bangles, earrings, necklaces, gold coins, sacks full of precious stones like emeralds, rubies and diamonds. Even though he was very rich, Midas thought that his greatest happiness was provided by gold. His greediness was such that he used to spend his days counting his golden coins. Occasionally, he used to cover his body with golden objects, as if he wanted to bath in them. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟು in previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನದನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Observe carefully. One day, King Midas was granted a boon by God. Tell me your dearest wish and I will grant it. Midas thought for a while. Then he said, I hope that everything I touch becomes gold. Think carefully. What you are asking for? The wise God warned. But Midas would not stop to think. He wanted to be the richest man in the world. The God could do nothing else and promised the king that from the following day everything he touched would turn into gold. The next day Midas woke up eager to see if his wish would become true. He extended his arm, touching a small table that immediately turned into gold. Midas jumped with happiness. He then touched a chair, the carpet, the door, his bathtub, a table, and so he kept on running. In his madness all over his palace until he got exhausted and happy at the same time. He sat at the table to have breakfast and took a rose between his hands to smell its fragrance. When he touched it, the rose became gold. I will have to observe the fragrance with touching the roses. I suppose he thought in disappointment. Enough chatter. This much of lesson today. Okay. Dear students, yesterday we took the lesson, this part of this King Midas. Today I am saying the lesson starting with here. ONE1 DAY day, KING King, MIDAS Midas, WAS was, GRANTED granted, A BOON boon, BY by A GOD God. TELL tell, MEME, YOUR your, DEAREST, dearest. WISH, wish. AND I. WILL, will. GRANT, grant. IT, it. MIDAS, midas. THOUGHT, thought. FOR, for. A. WHILE, while. AND THEN, then. HEHE, SAID, said. HOPE, hope. THAT, that. EVER, why. THING, everything. TOUCH, touch. BECOMES, becomes. GOLD, gold. THINK, think. CAREFULLY, carefully. WHAT, what. YOUARER, ASKING, asking. FOR, for. THE, the. WISE, wise. GOD, God. WARNED, warned. Beauty, but. MIDAS, midas. WOULD, would. NOT, not. STOP, stop. TO2, THINK, think. HE, WANTED, wanted. TO2, BEB, THE, the. RICH, rich. EST, richest. MAN, man. IN, in. THE, the. WORLD, world. THE, the. GOD, God. COULD, could. DO, do. NOTHING, nothing. ELSE, else. AND, PROMISED, promised. THE, the. KING, king. THAT, that. FROM, from. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following. DAY, day. EVERY, THING, everything. HE, TOUCHED, touched. WOULD, would. TURN, tur. INTO, into. GOLD, gold. THE, the. NEXT, next. DAY, day. MIDAS, midas. WOKE, oak. UP, up. EAGER, eager. TO2, SEEC, IF, if. HIS, is. WISH, wish. WOULD, would. BECOME, become. TRUE, true. HE, EXTENDED, extended. HIS, his. ARMR, TOUCHING, touching. SMALL, small. TABLE, table. THAT, that. IMMEDIA, TELY, immediately. TURNED, turned. INTO, into. GOLD, gold. MIDAS, midas. JUMPED, jumped. WITH, with. HAPPINESS, happiness. HEHE, THEN, then. TOUCHED, touched. CHAIR, chair. THE, the. CARPET, carpet. THE, the. DOR, door. HIS, his. BATH, TUB, bathtub. TABLE, table. AND, SO, so. HE, KEPT, kept. ON, on. RUNNING, running. IN, in. HIS, his. MADNESS, madness. ALL, all. OVER, over. HIS, his. PALACE, palace. UNTIL, until. HE, GOT, got. EXHAUSTED, exhausted. AND, HAPPY, happy. AT, at. THE, the. SAME, same. TIME, time. HE, SAT, sad. AT, at. THE, the. TABLE, table. TO2, HAVE, have. BREAK, FAST, breakfast. AND, TOOK, took. ROAC, rose. BET, WEEN, between. HIS, his. HANDS, hands. TO2, SMELL, smell. ITS its FRAGRANCE fragrance. WHEN when HE TOUCHED touched. IT it. THE the ROSE rose. BECAME became. GOLD gold. WILL will. HAVE have. TO2 AB SORB observe. THE the FRAGRANCE fragrance. WITH OUT without. TOUCHING touching. THE the ROSES roses. SUPPOSE suppose. HE THOUGHT thought. IN in. DISAPPOINT MENT disappointment. BY by NOW now. MIDAS midas. WAS was. FEELING feeling. THIRSTY thirsty. AND and HUNGRY hungry. HE WAS was. THRILLED thrilled. WHEN when. THE the PLATE plate. THE the GLASS glass. THE the NIF nif. And FORK folk. HE TOUCHD touched. TURNED turned. INTO into. GOLD gold. BUT but. AS as. HIS is. TONGUE tongue. TASTED tasted. WATER water. IT it. TURNED turned. INTO into. GOLD gold. HE ALMOST almost. CHOKED chocolate. HE THEN then. PUT put. SOME some. FOOD food. INTO into. HIS is. MOUTH mouth. THAT that. TOO to. TURNED turned. INTO into. GOLD gold. HE SPAT spat. IT it. OUT out. HE PICKED pickled. UP up A. PEACH peach. AND and BIT bit. INTO into. IT it. OUCH ouch. THAT dirt. HURT hurt. HE ALMOST almost. BROKE broke. TOOTH tooth. THE the PEACH peach. WAS was. AS has. HARD hard. AS as. STONE stone. CAN can. YOUU. GUESS guess. WHY why. JUST just. THEN then. HIS his. SWEET sweet. SIX 6. YEAR 6 year. OLD old. DAUGHTER daughter. CAME came. RUNNING running. INTO into. THE the. ROM room. DADDY daddy. DADDY daddy. SHE CRIED cried. And STARTED started. TO2 SKIP skip. TOWARDS towards. HIM him. THE the. KING king. WAS was. HORRIFIED horrified. Dear students, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೌ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಈ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಟಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಿಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಓದೋದನ್ನ ರಿವೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ ಪದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟಫ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. But Midas could not stop to think. He wanted to be the richest man in the world. The god could do nothing else and promised the king that from the following day everything he touched would turn into gold. The next day Midas woke up eager to see if his wish would become true. He extended his arms touching a small table that immediately turned into gold. Midas jumped with happiness. He then touched a chair, the carpet, the door, his bathtub and a table, and so he kept on running in his madness all over his palace until he got exhausted and happy. At the same time, he sat at the table to have breakfast and took a rose between his hands to smell its fragrance. When he touched it, the rose became good. I will have to observe the fragrance without touching the roses. I suppose the thought is disappointment. By now, Midas was feeling thirsty and hungry. He was thrilled when the plate, the glass, the knife and fork he touched turned into gold. But as his tongue tasted water, it turned into gold. He almost choked. He then put some food into his mouth. That too turned into gold. He spat it out. He picked up a peach and bit into it. Ouch! That hurt. He almost broke a tooth. The peach was as hard as stone. Can you guess why? Just then his sweet 6-year-old daughter came running into the room. Daddy, Daddy. She cried and started to skip towards him. The king was horrified. Dear students, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಪಾಠನ ಹೇಗೆ ಓದೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ today's homework is read and write this lesson. Okay? How to write in 4-line notebook? Now I am explaining. Okay? This is your 4-line notebook. This is upper line, headline, base line and lower line. This is 4-line notebook. How to write in 4-line notebook? Nodi. Once upon a time there lived a king called Midas anta ಇದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಯಾವುದು big letter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? First letter is big letter O N C E. Once U P O N. ಇದು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. A ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅಕ್ಷರದಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಷರಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪದದಿಂದ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರೆಯುವಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಕ್ಷರದಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಷರಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 1 mm ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಪದದಿಂದ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರೆಯುವಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ once upon a time. T-I-M-E time. T-H-E-R-E there. T-H-E-R-E there. ಇಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. Lived. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. Once they lived a king called Midas. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಗ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ 3 ಲೈನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಜಿ, ಜೆ ಆ ತರದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹತ್ರ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಅವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾರಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನ read and write this lesson. Okay, dear students, done.